Dear students, today we will discuss about the decision making. So before starting, we will know that what is the decision making. One of us has to make decisions throughout life. What profession to choose, where and how much to invest, what to produce and how much to produce, and so on. Are some situations where decisions are to be made. Some of the decisions are really difficult to make because of the complexity of the decision situation. This is true in business and industrial problems, which are becoming more and more complex. The decision making in business is a very tough task. If someone asks the business executive as to how do they take decision, then it will be very difficult question for them to answer because they hardly follow any consistent procedure. Sometimes decisions based on cost and profit calculation, or at other times based on relative competitiveness. Therefore, we need a decision theory which is defined as a body of methods helpful to decision maker to select a course of action amongst the alternative plans of action open to him. So we will define that what is the decision making. Decision making is the thinking process of picking a choice between few of the available options. It serves as a purpose to remove any uncertainty and hesitation before we decide on something. The best decision usually are the decision that can bring success and effective success. So we can say that a decision in general may be defined as the selection by the decision maker of an act considered to be the best according to some pre-designated standard form. The several available options. Decision analysis can be determining optimal strategies when a decision maker is faced with several alternatives and uncertainty or risk feared pattern of future. Irrespective of the type of decision making problem, there are certain elements which are common to all such problems. So what are the essential elements of the decision making? The first element is cause of action. So we will try to know that what is the cause of action. The cause of action is a decision made from among a set of defined alternative cause of action. The second element is state of nature. So what is the state of nature? These are consequences or events of any causes of action are dependent upon certain factors beyond the control of the decision maker. These factors are called states of nature. And the third one element is payoff. So what is payoff? Each combination of course of action and events or outcome is associated with a payoff, which measures the net benefit to the decision maker that accrues from a given combination of decision alternatives and events. They also known as conditional profits values or conditional profit values or conditional economic consequences. Decision payoff is an indication of the effectiveness of the strategies. In general, we can say that effectiveness is measured in terms of money, but in many situations it is not possible to give a realistic value of money. Decision payoffs may be fixed decision payoff or can be random variable. In the former case, we will say that it could be either probabilistic or realistic.